everyone, we are
Nihal
Riddhi
and Riya.
from Excel Public School, Kurgali, Mysore. And today we are excited to introduce our project, the Jugaad welding machine. In schools and maker spaces, welding machines can be expensive and hard to access, creating a barrier for students and innovators who want to work on metal projects. Traditional welding machines come with high cost and time constraints, so we wanted to find a solution. We started by brainstorming ideas and sketching our design concepts. After conducting online research and gathering data on welding techniques, we built a Jugaad welding machine. It uses simple materials like carbon rods and a 24-volt adapter, making it affordable and easy to use. It works on materials as thin as 2 mm, and we've used scrap metal to test its effectiveness. The design encourages us to repurpose discarded items into something useful. We aim to make welding more accessible by providing a low cost portable solution for prototyping and small scale projects. With this machine, students can also work in real time without relying on external services.
We began testing the welding machine using a 12-volt battery. Although it worked, the welds weren't strong enough. We quickly switched to a 24-volt adapter, which improved the performance and allowed us to weld materials like razor blades. However, for thicker materials, the heat generated by the welding arc still wasn't sufficient for proper fusion.
To improve the welding process, we decided to use thicker carbon rods with a 3 mm diameter, which helped handle more current and reduced electrode wear. This change improved welding performance and allowed us to weld materials up to 2 mm in thickness.
We are planning to increase the voltage to between 24 volts and 36 volts for deeper weld penetration, especially for thicker materials. Additionally, we will experiment with preheating workpieces to reduce thermal resistance and ensure better weld quality. We are also considering using multi-pass welding, where we apply multiple layers of weld to improve heat distribution and penetration.
Now, students and makers don't have to deal with the high costs or long waits for traditional welding services. The Jugaad welding machine opens up opportunities for hands-on learning and experimentation with metalworking projects. Thank you to ADR Marathon and Excel Public School for this wonderful opportunity.